everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, my first year is officially over. I can't believe I am saying that because it just feels like yesterday that I have stepped into a medical college, and also at the same time, it feels like this year has been 5 years packed into one. All the sleepless nights, all the endless vivas, all the endless theory exams, all the practicals, all the anatomy drawings, dissections, physiology, biochemistry, and the friends that got me through this all. So I want to look at all those things which made this year so unforgettable, chaotic, and so special. I still remember my first day. I stepped into a new surrounding with all these new people, and I was trying to act so confident while my heart was beating like crazy. Then came the white coat moment. We had a white coat ceremony in which I wore my white coat for the first time, and it gave me the feeling that I am finally a med student and I am finally stepping into a profession which is dedicated to help and serve people.
This moment felt so magical. I was finally stepping into a journey I had admired since my childhood.
After all these surreal moments, the reality finally hit. I actually had to read the subjects. So, anatomy was like learning a whole new language. Physiology was logical but also a bit confusing. And then there was biochemistry. Let's just say it was just testing our patience.
Between lectures and dissection halls, life became a mix of caffeine intakes and deadlines. I discovered how much we can actually study in one night.
One thing which kept me sane through all this were the people around me. My friends made all the unbearable lectures bearable, all the exam stress turned into laughter, and this journey a bit more special.
Some of the best memories weren't planned, they just happened in between all this chaos. We had moments of group studying which were 90% gossip and just 10% of actual studying.
Then came the exam part. The scariest, the most stressful, yet the most memorable part out of them all. All those sleepless nights, all those endless revisions, all those library visits, all the caffeine intake, all the ये तूने पढ़ा क्या, ये पढ़ना है क्या, ये important है क्या, ये skip किया तो चलेगा क्या parts, and the joy of finding the one question which we actually properly knew in the question paper.
Our schedules were packed, the exams felt endless, but in between all that, there was something beautiful. We were learning about how the human body actually works.
Then finally, yesterday came the results. I passed my first year MBBS exams. It wasn't just the result, it was the proof that I survived one of the most craziest, hardest, and meaningful years of my life. And through this all, I owe my biggest thank you to my parents for their constant guidance and for believing in me in the moments I didn't even believe in myself. And for constantly reminding me why I began this journey in the first place. First year taught me that medicine is not just about books, it is about discipline, patience, and self growth. I learned how to balance my time, how to believe in small progresses, and to find joy even in chaos.
This journey, as exhausting it is also very beautiful.
So, to all the future med students, don't rush through your first year. Click pictures, make memories which go beyond the textbook. You will laugh, you will cry, there will be moments you'll doubt yourself, but that is all okay because these are the moments which will make you fall in love with medicine.